All right, I'm recording.
Actually, let's turn these off.
Yeah, let's check the
Wave them, wave them. No, go ahead, wave them, wave them.
Alright, sorry, Greg.
Everyone keep your fingers crossed. I don't know how this is going to turn out.
It's going to turn out good.
I didn't get bug spray.
Bug spray bottle, I'll spray it. It's on the porch.
Yeah.
Run! Get him!
What's the emergency escape route underneath the tree?
I see smoke. I see smoke. That's a good sign.
Aim for whatever you can find that's flammable.
I think we're all flammable with the bug spray on there.
Okay, smoke before fire.
Keep your fingers.
There we go. Nice. This is like the best home. More! There she goes.
Nice. One more round.
Yeah, whatever!
Oh dear.
Daddy, is it done?
One more round. One more
Get
round.
out of there, Bat!
How you doing?
Oh!
Oh.
Just enjoy it, Mama. I'm pretty sure he has a grand finale here.
Oh, Rex.
I didn't know you could buy these. They had some. Yeah, right?
Pop up like that.
Nice.
Those are the, I know which ones those are. That's those big threes.
Nice.
Here comes the last one.
I said that one before.
I thought he said one more on the last.
We're waiting.
Right?
Part of the suspense.
That's right.
Here we go. Those are up.
Jeez.
Those are the three. That one's